such a boy. Said you need more.
Say you need more space. What are you, an astronaut? You got the whole universe. So what you come around here for? Said you need more air. Are you underwater now? We're not even in that deep. Acting like you're gonna drown. When we were dancing, laying to the day, half asleep and half awake. When the music starts to fade, we were laying in my bed. For 1 second, you'll forget. Oh, here we go again. Say you wanna break, so we break up. It's a mistake, so we make up, and then we make out, freak out. Here we go. Say you go too fast, we're sober, and have a blast coming over. Then we make out, freak out. Don't be such a boy, 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 boy. Don't be such a boy.
Oh my god.
Wonderful.
Face each other.
Yeah, like that. Don't be such a boy. Boy, 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 boy. Okay.
We're never gonna
Okay. Focus.
focus on it.
See, it's her fault, right? It's her fault.
This is why my sister doesn't make covers with me anymore.
Come on, it's about breaking up and making up. Okay.
Because I've never experienced that.
Well, I have.
That's why you could be. I can't even start with the relationship to begin with.
Let's just
See, if I face this way, maybe. No. Maybe. No.
maybe we should just separate. Alright, so
Okay, that's. Oh my god. Okay.
1, 2.
We're at a minute.
We're serious. I'm sorry,
I'm
Rochelle.
really
Yeah,
trying.
we're trying very hard.
It's so hard because
Taking all of our life and energy. I'm so
it's
sorry.
because it's Micah. You know what I mean? If I were to make a cover with someone I didn't know.
Okay, we don't know each other. We're strangers. Okay, we're strangers.
Okay.
Oh, this is actually comfy.
Yeah, see, I feel a lot better.
Are we ready? She's just waiting. Woo. Say hi to the camera.
Hi, Mom.
We're at 17.
Oh, snap. Okay. Wow. Okay, we got it.
You know, I'm gonna.
Okay.
Wow.
I'm trying.
Okay. I'm looking at the Mary.
We go again. Oh my god. I can't really open my mouth as wide because it hurts.
Good luck at
You hear like a
cheesecake.
slight lisp. So bad.
Slight list. Are you talking to me?
I'm talking to me.
Okay, good.
It's gonna come now. Okay. Oh, frick. No, we're
Where,
still
which part?
Say you wanna, right?
1.
Say
Say.
you wanna. We make.
Okay.
Oh my god.
I shouldn't look at. I shouldn't glimpse at you. I shouldn't look at you. Okay.
Then stop.
Bro. What you mean?